All of you are B2 students, huh?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, this is one of our special kind. You are saying that this is a center of excellence, which was totally developed by Royal Enfield. It is a simple mutual understanding between Royal Enfield as well as Goel Institute of Technology and Management. They have developed a center of excellence here, and final year mechanical engineering students here always do the training. Today also the final year mechanical were there in the first half. Okay, you are all in the mechanical engineer and electronics, I think so.
Yes.
Okay, so most of you are seeing that in the mechanical engineering you can have your concepts in automobile engineering. Okay, and today we are seeing that the world is transforming itself in the automobile sector also. Lot of jobs are there. Why you can say that the mechanical and electrical? I think that you are all studying the electrical engineering course also. Hmm? So there is a concept called as electromagnetic energy conversion. Okay, electromagnetic energy conversion is there, which means that electro to mechanical and mechanical to electrical. Okay, when I talk about the transformer, it is mechanical to electrical, and when I talk about the motor, it is electrical to mechanical, and that's what the automobile sector is also transforming. Now you are seeing that, you are seeing the newspapers also, you are seeing the net also, that the electrical vehicle is there. All the diesel and petrol vehicles are transforming into the electrical vehicle, but only the vehicle is meant for the mechanical engineering, as well as now when it is transforming into the electrical vehicle, then electronics engineers also took part there. There will be the use of the VLSI technology as well as chips there. So that's why, to have the basic concept of this automobile sector, we have developed with the help of sir. He is Mr. Gaurav Srivastava. I think that you all have the introduction of it. I think already you have done the introduction of it. And 3 sessions he has already taken. Last year in the Corona pandemic, we have developed the center. Okay, first batch was there last year, then second batch was there. Okay, third batch is going on of the third year mechanical, final year mechanical engineering student as well as diploma students. So practicals as well as theory classes. This is a lab of, this is a theory class. One more theory class is there, and there you are seeing that different types of motors are there and other things are there of the automobile sector. He will be, when you will be reaching to a third year and final year, you will be also be trained in this thing there. Okay. So today is simply the orientation program, that one of the gems of mechanical engineering department, a center of excellence here, and I think that you all should take interest. This will be a good for the mechanicals as well as how you are taking it, and develop your concept, develop your interest in the automobile sector. Okay, so this is the things. See the total labs, see the things. He will be explaining you also today in the session, and best of luck for your future. And more about the other things, we will be having the orientation day by day. Okay, now you are having the exams also starting. Yeah, so study hard. Okay, study hard. From third, you will be getting the notices today only from there, that we will be having a practical session, and then we will be having the PUT examinations will be there. Okay, your head of department is there, Mr. Shiv Kumar Tripathi. He is our one of the directors here. Just seeing we are having the 2 pharmacy colleges, you know it very well. So he is the Dr. Amresh Gupta, director of the old pharmacy. Means when you are having the engineering college and pharmacy college both started in the same year. Okay, these are the old pharmacy. Dr. Amresh Gupta is there. Just you are seeing in the beyond the college is there. Okay. So best of luck. Thank you very much. And I would like also to thanks Mr. Gaurav Srivastava, that he always takes pains in doing the trainings and other things also. Whenever I say that anything just for the sake of the student, we have to conduct one program, he is always ready. The cooperation is there, Mr. Shiv Tripathi is there, and he is Mr. Bipin, Dr. Bipin, you can say. Dr. Bipin is there. He is also from the mechanical engineering department and the coordinator of this innovation cell. You have heard about the GITM Innovation cell also, you know it very well. So these all the things are there, and many other things you will be seeing, you will be knowing it when you will be coming up towards the second semester also, as well as when you will be reaching the second year, then you will be having the glimpse of the department. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. बढ़िया से करें आप लोग, और इंटरेस्ट अभी से अगर आप लोग जगाएंगे तभी काम हो पाएगा। दो तरीके हैं, अगर आप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को अभी से आप लोग ट्रैक करिए। मैं तो यही देख रहा हूँ जो हमने फार्मेसी में देखा था, जो पहले था, सिनेरियो चेंज हुआ है। तो निगेटिव चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इस समय हैं, लेकिन आप अपना गोल निर्धारित करिए। आपको लाने का जो पर्पज़ है यहाँ वो यही है कि 4 साल में आपको इस स्टेज तक आना है, कि आपको 4 साल बाद यहाँ ट्रेनिंग लेनी है। सर का विजन जो है वो सोचिए कि आपको 4th ईयर की चीज़ें आज से आपको दिखा रहे हैं, इसलिए कि आप एक्सप्लोर करिए। आपके हाथ में मोबाइल है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आपने की, गूगल किया है, चीज़ें सब अवेलेबल हैं, हम लोग यहाँ अवेलेबल हैं। और जो भी चीज़ें हैं आप आके यहाँ क्वेरी अगर आपकी कोई भी जनरेट होती है कि सर हमने नेट पे ये देखा ये क्या है, तो आप बिल्कुल आइए, और वो जो इंटरेस्ट होगा वही आपको सक्सेस दिलाएगा। मतलब कई लोगों को हमने देखा है कि उनके बारे में, जैसे सुंदर पिचाई के बारे में सुनते हैं कि वो अपनी ही लैब में जाके सो जाते थे, तो उनके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर नहीं था, वो भी अपनी सैलरी पैकेज लेते थे, अपनी जॉब करते थे, लेकिन उसके बाद जो उनका इंटरेस्ट था काम करने का। तो हम लोग का उद्देश्य यही है कि आपको इन चीज़ों से एक क्यूरियोसिटी जनरेट की जाए, कि आप अभी से सोचें कि हाँ हमको ऑटोमोबाइल में जाना है या किस फील्ड में जाना है, मैकेनिकल के डिफरेंट फील्ड है। तो हम उस मतलब ये 4 साल हम जितना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करें उतना अच्छा रहेगा। तो आप लोग बिल्कुल इसको ये मत सोचिए कि मतलब ये बस एक आए आप देख लिया और एक हो गया, विजिट कर लिए। इसको अगर आप अपने उसमें एक्सप्लोर कर पाए कि हाँ कैसे कैसे मोटर काम कर रही है, क्या कर रहे हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं, सर हैं। तो ये मत सोचिए जब पढ़ाया जाएगा तब देखेंगे, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली, कि हमको ये चीज़ आनी चाहिए। और कोई ऐसा नहीं कि आप नहीं सीख सकते, हर चीज़ तो इंजीनियरिंग की चीज़ें गूगल से कर लेते हैं। हम लोग भी काफ़ी चीज़ें तो गूगल से देख के घर में फिट करते रहते हैं। तो आप लोग तो इंजीनियर हैं तो बढ़िया करेंगे, ऑल द बेस्ट। आपके सीनियर्स भी अच्छे हैं, टीचर्स भी अच्छे हैं, सब लोग मैं जान रहा हूँ, फाउंडेशन से हूँ, तो जब करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट भी यहाँ का अच्छा ही रहा है हमेशा, प्लेसमेंट भी ठीक रहा है। तो आप ऑल द बेस्ट, आप लोगों को बढ़िया से करिए।
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू सर।
नाम तो उन्होंने बता दिया, काम आपको पता है। सीधे मुद्दे की बात करते हैं। मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग अगर आपने ली है, बहुत सारे लोग आपसे पूछेंगे कि क्यों ली है, तो क्यों आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग करनी चाहिए थी या मुझे डॉक्टर बनना चाहिए था। ठीक है, यू नेवर लाइक अ व्हीकल जिसमें फर्स्ट गियर लगाओ और वो पीछे जाए। यू लाइक दैट व्हीकल एज अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, इट्स अ मैकेनिकल माल फंक्शन। So if you have that malfunction in your mind, you are not made to sit here. You should be 100% confirmed in your mind, whatever you have chosen for a good. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And the purpose, the sole purpose to come up with such an MOU and developing the concept of Center of Excellence means that whatever you are being taught in all 4 years, you can also see practically what is actually happening inside the engine. We have a whole lot of cut sections, we have a lot of gadgets, supported textual material, videos, PPTs, which will definitely support you to document something big related to Royal Enfield technology. Having said that, if I am talking specifically for Royal Enfield technology, I do not mean that you can only and only be made to work on Royal Enfield. You have to ignite your minds and you have to correlate the concept. If you are able to do that, you can go anywhere. So, सिंपल सी एक बात है, हमने जो सीखा उसका एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे है? वो एप्लीकेशन है हमारे एक्चुअल रनिंग प्रोडक्ट में। बी इट अ बाइसिकल ऑल्सो, बाइसिकल में भी आप सब मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं और सेकेंड ईयर में है शायद या फर्स्ट ईयर में, ऑल आर इन फर्स्ट ईयर। सो साइकिल भी एक सिंपल सा मैकेनिकल प्रोडक्ट है कम्यूट करने के लिए, बट उस प्रोडक्ट के भी अपने कुछ सिद्धांत हैं, उसमें भी जो इंजीनियरिंग इन्वॉल्व हुई है उसको डेविएट नहीं कर सकते हो आप। डेविएट अगर करना है तो इस एक्सटेंट तक करना है कि प्रोडक्ट और बेटर हो जाए, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड इंजीनियरिंग। what is today existent, what is there in your hand, is it working properly? If answer is yes, you have engineered it well. Can you go beyond it? If answer is yes, your education is 100% a success. And if you can arrest any crisis out of any mechanical malfunction, you have hit the nail. You have done the justice for your profession. After running an instinct as an engineer, you may find yourself pretty much okay to become an entrepreneur, to join some other discipline. But first, what is there in your hand is education and related tasks to that education. Now I was told to explain you something related to EFI, electronic fuel injection. It is a marriage of, you can say, culmination of a very fine mechanical engineering and a very apex electrical and electronics engineering. Right? So somehow, in some way or the other, we are sitting under the umbrella of applied sciences. We will get to know how and on what principle a machine works. What is technology? Engineering is different, technology is different. Purpose of both the disciplines is somehow pretty much different, but we tend to correlate so much that we do not differ between the two, right? That technology is and engineering is not two but one. You can say two sides of same coin, but not exactly the same side. Now I will come directly on to EFI technology. To talk about, as they call it, Center of Excellence. So means it is not meant for me that I am heading something, a project called Center of Excellence from the side of Royal Enfield. So I claim that I am an excellent trainer, nothing like that. And you are an excellent student. Center of Excellence means to verify your concept, to nudge your doubts. Center of Excellence means whatever being told here should never remain a doubt in your mind, as a doubt in your mind. So, मैं एक सिंपल सी बात पूछता हूँ, क्या सबने ये नाम सुना है? नाम सुना है सभी? नाउ पर्पस क्या है इसका? पर्पस क्या है?
experiments.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
एक चीज हुई प्रोडक्ट का नाम कार्बोरेटर, पर्पस लिखा हुआ है। किस इंजीनियर को क्या पता, एक लेमैन को क्या पता है कि कार्बोरेटर गाड़ी में, एक लेमैन जो थोड़ा ज्यादा जानता है वो क्या जानता है कि कार्बोरेटर इसलिए लगा होता है कि भैया इसी से हवा पेट्रोल मिलता है। बट एक इंजीनियर क्या जानता है? प्रिंसिपल बिहाइंड मेकिंग अ carburetor. If you know the principle behind making a carburetor, you would definitely come to you will definitely arrive at a solution wherein you will arrest any malfunction related to carburetor. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, carburetor was pretty much mechanical. Carburetor was pretty much mechanical. No precision. Right? If I talk about precision, I talk about time to supply air fuel mixture, exact time. If I order him, report me tomorrow 8 a.m. sharp, he will definitely report. If I buy him a stopwatch, right, along with normal watch, and I say, you have to report me 8 a.m. sharp with zero error whatsoever at the place of thousandths of a second, then he will die.
Yes, of course.
Because एक लेमैन क्या देखता है कि घड़ी में 8 बजे, एक इंजीनियर क्या देखता है 8 तो बजे हैं लेकिन सेकंड कितने हो रहे हैं, है अभी भी 8 AM, टाइम कितना है, कोई मिनट नहीं हुआ है, सेकंड्स हुए, but we tend to negate second and we say that it is 8 AM, I have arrived. And if I say, you have to launch a missile for me to Pakistan, and he is bloody coming 8:28, I will fire him, I will shoot him. Bloody, that is the theory of Vladimir Putin. Nobody understands that. And everybody says that he is wrong. He is pretty much right. 100% right. So what? Infants are dying now. So what? Leaders are those who really know what they are going to do. Leaders are those who really know, if I do this, repercussions will be like that. So an engineer, a good engineer is he who builds a concept, who builds a motorcycle, who builds an engine and knows the challenges as well. That is how he comes up with PMS. Periodic maintenance schedule. So it is not a joke to become an engineer. That's what I'm coming to that point only. Just merely holding a degree and showing off that I am an engineer, that too from Goel Institute of Technology, worth nothing. Are you really an engineer? Question is this. This is being asked by panels who recruit you. And I am a no guarantee whatsoever for any job related question. No. I will make you able to find a good job for yourself. That is a better thing. If at all you are 100% here and nowhere else. So now carburetor is pretty much mechanical, no precision is there. Then we came up with another technology that is called EFI. That is called some of you are sitting as an electronics engineer, I don't know what, for what reason, but if you are an electrical engineer or electronics and telecommunication or something like that, I don't know. but still it is EFI. Electronic fuel injection. Now what is happening? What I am doing is actually I am trying to make a machine which is pretty much mechanical, but I am trying to merge a brain inside that machine. That is called mechatronics. Do you know that? Mercedes-Benz by and large works on that only. Formula One engines work on that only. Some of you might know that if I sit in a pit wall, in pit garage, I'm sitting in a pit, and I can change the configuration of engine of Formula One car. To that extent, this mechanical engineering has evolved. On the basis of fine electronics that has been infused into the system. That is one of the best chance for you if you thoroughly get trained under this umbrella. You get to know so many things in one go. Purpose of the session will be this. So, electronic fuel injection. Really a very lovely topic, because here we get to see how a mechanical device can function with the help of computer. Same, just like your body, pretty much mechanical, but having senses. Computer. From primitive ages. Almighty knew that I am going to make a machine which is having brain. Warning is never check continuity of your brain with multimeter. Continuity आएगी कि नहीं आएगी? आएगी? इसलिए इंजीनियरिंग ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है, right? What's your name? So the thing is, electronic fuel injection, right? If I am saying like that, I am nearing to apex in what is available in mechanical engineering. And guess what? I am specifically talking about Royal Enfield, but this is a concept, this is a technology. Now this is a technology. Engineering is behind an engine. How merging this technology with that engine which is available in Royal Enfield would perform an enhancement, would enhance the performance of an engine by and large, to such an extent that it would meet BS6 norms. Pollution is a major concern today. To decrease this pollution, we internationally fix some norms that this much pollution should happen from an engine of this much capacity. Well coded, documented. If you go beyond those parameters, you will never be able to sell that vehicle. BS6 norms पॉल्यूशन को अरेस्ट करने के लिए है, यहीं पे इंजीनियर की सोसाइटी को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है। यहीं पे एक्चुअली पता लगता है कि इंजीनियर्स क्यों चाहिए। इंजीनियर्स चाहिए ताकि सिस्टमैटिक काम और किसी एक एक्टिविटी से जो नेगेटिव फैक्टर जनरेट हो रहा है उसको अरेस्ट करने के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करें. So only engineers do become scientists. If I am saying that, you may be telling me that you are wrong. Einstein was no engineer. Definitely yes. But he was engineer. Because ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि उसने बीटेक करा होता तब वो आइंस्टीन बनता. ऐसा नहीं था. उसने उतनी इंजीनियरिंग खुद से डेवलप करी.